everyone, this is JC from Inel Kitchen in China. Today I would like to introduce this electric fire to you. Next, let's take a look at this fire. The contour of this fire is made of 304 stainless steel materials, and the surrounding part is made of 430 stainless steel materials. It has strong corrosion resistance and is durable. In addition, the surface of the stainless steel is smooth and very easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that it remains in good conditions even under high-intensity use. The fire adopts a single tank designed with 3 heating elements, providing strong firepower and rapid heating. It is equipped with high-quality firing buckets, equipped with safety designs such as no-slip pads and heat-resistant handles, ensuring that users are safer and more comfortable during the operation process. Temperature control valve is an imported from Italy SIT, which allows for precise control of oil temperature. The control panel includes clear ignition and shutdown switch, as well as a 7-level temperature adjustment switch, allowing for precise control of the oil temperatures and making operation more convenient. It's also equipped with an over-temperature protection switch that can quickly stop heating to prevent dry burning. This fire also equipped with an oil drain pipe, ensuring that the oil can easily remove from the tank and reducing the difficulty and time required for cleaning.